Welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, we are in downtown St. Louis. We've come to see the Old Courthouse, which is a part of the Gateway Arch National Park. The Old Courthouse was a fixture, and still is a fixture, in downtown St. Louis. It is most famous, perhaps, for being the site where Dred Scott, his first cases suing for his freedom back in the 1800s, where those took place. The Old Courthouse was closed for about 2 or 3 years for renovations. It recently reopened in May of this year, May of 2025, I believe. And so I'm here in St. Louis and I've come to check it out to see what's new and to see the Old Courthouse. Courthouse here is located on Dred Scott Way. And like I mentioned before, the Old Courthouse reopened to the public on May 3rd of this year, 2025, after having been closed for at least, 2 years. There's a statue here just outside the courthouse of Frankie Muse Freeman, attorney at law. What's kind of interesting about these iron gates here outside you find around the courthouse itself is that they have these turtles near the bottom. It's a unique element to the ironwork. Here we have the statue to Dred Scott and his wife Harriet. Here is a map of what the Old Courthouse looks like and the features inside. Got some great views of the arch outside some of these windows. This model here not only shows you what the courthouse looks like now, but inside you can see what the original courthouse looked like. There are a few hands-on displays and exhibits for younger people. This display here talks about the different pathways to freedom. Came here through St. Louis. St. Louis being in the center of the country and in the center of the Mississippi River, it was a hub for both those who were trying to escape towards freedom through the Underground Railroad and other network, as well as slave hunters. Another area in the bottom part of the courthouse, they have an entire exhibit to Dred and Harriet Scott and their famous court cases. You can see there the actual brick wall, what it looks like. It's very cool. That was the Old Courthouse, the historic building here in downtown St. Louis. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.